Yo, beast freaks, meet Struthio Camelus, the common ostrich, Africa's tall, brainless speed king. At 2.8 meters, 156 kilograms, with black-white feathers, males, or gray, females, their 5-centimeter eyes are huge, but their 40-gram brain. Total peanut vibes. Tall but dumb energy. Legs kick at 200 kilograms, cracking lion skulls, while tiny wings just flap for show. They sprint 70 kilometers per hour, stride 5 meters, eat grass, bugs, rocks, even nails. If it fits, I'm full. Barely drink, surviving weeks on fat, roam in flocks of 5 to 50 by day, sleep standing at night, sometimes head-burying for lulz. Breeding, June to October. Males dance like drunk DJs, grunting to charm 2 to 7 gals, laying 61.5 kilogram eggs in a sand nest, but only 20 to 30 hatch. Females sit days, males nights. 42 days later, chicks run. Born, now scram. Sharp eyes spot foes 2 kilometers off, but panic sends them running wrong. They live 40 to 50 years, once hunted for meat, feathers, eggs as decor. 150,000 left in South Africa, Kenya, but desertification and hunting hurt. Ostrich. Big, messy, like your tall, clumsy pal who'd kick ya. Want to see one? Hit the savannah but dodge those legs. See you next time on Animals More Sneaky Than Your Co-Workers.